In this video, I have brought some gadgets for your kitchen, which make your cooking speed very fast, so let's get started. Apple Peeler. The apple is like to eat in everyone, but some people don't like to eat that with peels. So this gadget has been made for peeling the apple. Front of this gadget a sharp blade is engaged, whereby easily can remove the apple's peel. To use it, first of all, set the apple to this gadget. Then after turning the handle, the sharp blade removes the apple peel by turning it around. After that, the apple is chopped with a cutter. Watermelon slicer and baller. Many peoples like to eat watermelon in different stylish shapes. Now to cut the watermelon in different shapes, this gadget is used. When this gadget runs on the watermelon, so the rotating blade in it cuts the watermelon into a cube shape. After that, this spoon is used to cut the watermelon into a ball shape. To use this spoon, you will have to rotate the spoon 80 degrees. And as this, the watermelon is cut into different shapes. Musk slicer. Guys, whenever we want to cut a big fruit, so at that time we don't have any proper tools to cut it fast. But with this gadget, you can chop even the big fruit very fast. To use it, first of all, you will have to cut the calyx and upper part of the fruit. Cherry stoner. This gadget is designed to extract seeds from cherries. The working principle of it is very simple. Just put the cherries on top of it, and after pressing the handle, the cherry seeds will come out. Extracted cherries come out automatically in this box. Pomegranate slicester. Eating pomegranate is an excellent aid for our health because it fights type 2 diabetes and keeps our blood pressure in control. But whenever we go to eat a pomegranate, then often takes a lot of time to extract grain from the pomegranate. Now to do this work easy, this gadget is used. It is a small gadget to extract grain from pomegranate, whereby we can very easily and fastly extract the grain from pomegranate. First of all, the pomegranate is rotated on this gadget to cut it, and then this device is placed on a container. Then the half piece of pomegranate is put by turn upside down, then pat on it with a big spoon. After that, by patting like this for some time, all the grains are gathered in a container. Cleaver cutter. Whenever we cut fruits and vegetables with a knife, it takes a lot of time, and there is also a fear of bleeding, so that this cutter is designed to cut fruits fast and safely. It is a mixture of a knife and chopping board, which looks like a scissor, and you can cut fruits and vegetables easily like a scissor. Barbarian edge. When the torrent of knives in our kitchen gets crushed, then we stop using that and bring another knife, but this gadget will help you make that knife sharp again. This gadget must be in every kitchen, because knives are used in every kitchen, and after a few days of use, the sharpness of the knives gets crushed. Herb cutter. This cutter is used to chop the herbs such as cilantro, scallions, basil, and etc. Using this tool is very easy, just run it front back on the herb, and your herb is ready. The blade in this tool is made of stainless steel, due to which it can only be used on wooden or plastic pads. Dish wand. Whenever we are washing dishes, at that time we have to apply shampoo in the pans frequently, which is very time consuming and irritation. But while using this smart washing brush, you won't need to apply shampoo separately by your hand. Yes, it is a smart washing brush with a washing sponge in the front, and a bottle at the back, which holds the water and shampoo mixture. And during washing, the shampoo comes slowly into brush, and a mess of repeatedly applying shampoo to the pan is removed. Handy cutter. This tool is used to cut vegetables into small pieces. To use it, first put the vegetables in the container of this tool, and close the lid. After that, the vegetables are cut into small pieces by pulling the thread repeatedly. It's a small time-saving tool, whereby we can cut vegetables into small pieces in a very short time. Pea sheller handy. It often takes a lot of time and effort to extract peas, but this machine will solve your problem. Yeah, it is easy and quick pea sheller tool. Put the pea pod between the shelling cylinders and turn the handle a few times. After that, every grain will extract into the container. You can easily and quickly attach the sheller to the working surface using the highly effective vacuum suction knob. Pop light. Everyone loves to eat popcorn, especially while watching a movie. Now to bring popcorn, we have to go out of home or else cook it itself. But using this gadget, you could cook popcorn in your home. There also comes one more gadget to cook popcorn, but it is more economical than that because it uses hot air to cook popcorn. And another gadget uses the microwave to cook popcorn, which is very bad for the health. To use it, put the grain of maize in this gadget and turn on it, then watch the moment. You don't have to put butter or oil in this gadget. It is able to cook without any oil. Spiralizer. if you want to impress your family to your gorgeous dishes. So this gadget is perfect for you. Yeah, it is a spiral cutter that turn your vegetables into impressive spiral looks. There are different types of blades that come with this gadget, whereby you can cut your vegetable as your choice. If you want to buy these gadgets, so click the link description below. And if you like this video, then definitely like this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you again.